Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I want to prepare chicken stir frying. Here is my ingredients. Here, this is chicken, this is my spicy, this is curry powder, salt and seasoning cubes. We have some calabash nutmeg powder, rosemary. Okay, this is my cayenne pepper, ginger and garlic, onion, groundnut oil. So join us as we're about to prepare this. Wow, this is nice. So as you see, the chicken has already produced in one oil, so we no need to add cooking oil again. So let me add the onions and green pepper. So beautiful people, please, if you are just seeing us for the first time, help us to subscribe, share our video with your friend and family. This is our chicken, it will be delicious. Thank you for watching. So it's ready now. Wow, this is nice. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and like, comment. This is our chicken stir frying. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.